It's the magic of math here, and today we're talking negative exponents, and we're going to be simplifying expressions with negative exponents. Here's our question today. We're asked to consider this expression 5 to the exponent negative 4. So consider this expression. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression? And we're given 4 possible answer choices, noting that they are all expressions themselves. Here's where I'd like you to pause the video, do your best work, and then come back to see mine. Good luck. Welcome back. So here we are. We're considering the expression 5 with an exponent of negative 4. So we have a power with a base of 5 and an exponent of negative 4, and we want to determine of these 4 answer choices which one is equivalent. Let's begin with answer choice A. So I'm going to take this expression and rewrite it. So I'm noticing that I have a power, base, and exponent inside parentheses, all to another exponent. So we use the power of a power property to simplify this expression to determine if it's equivalent. So power of a power means you're going to multiply the exponents. So we're going to rewrite this. We're going to keep our base of 5, and we're going to take our exponents and multiply them. Negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 is positive 4, keeping our base. So 5 with an exponent of 4. That is not equivalent because this has a negative 4 exponent, and this is a positive 4. So we can eliminate answer choice A. Now let's look at B. So we're going to rewrite our expression, and we're going to see that we have a power multiplied by a power. So this time we're going to use the product of powers property because when you multiply, you're finding a product. The product of powers property states that when you have the same base to your exponent, here they're both 5, we're going to take our exponent 1 and add it to negative 4. So let's rewrite this. We keep our base and we add our exponents. 1 add negative 4 gives me negative 3. Again, we keep our base, add our exponents. 5 with an exponent of negative 3 is not equivalent to 5 to the negative 4, so we can also eliminate answer choice B. Now let's check on answer choice C. Here, let's rewrite our expression. We again have a power multiplied by a power, so we're going to use the product of powers property again, reminding you that they have the same base, so we're going to take our exponents and add them. So rewriting it, we keep our base and add our exponents. 2 add negative 6 is negative 4. 5 to the negative 4 is equivalent, so it appears we have our correct answer. I'm going to check answer choice D just to be sure that I haven't made an error. So when we look at answer choice D, we have a power, 5 to the negative 4 inside the parentheses, all to an exponent of 0. This is when we're going to employ the zero exponent property, which states anything raised to a power of 0, or an exponent of 0, is equivalent to 1. So this entire thing, because everything inside the parentheses is to an exponent of 0, is equivalent to 1, not 5 to the negative 4. Therefore, we can conclude that answer choice D is not correct, and our correct answer is choice C. 5 squared multiplied by 5 to the negative 6 is equivalent to 5 to the negative 4. And there you have it. That is how we simplify negative exponents. Thanks for joining me today at The Magic of Math, where we continue to master math one video at a time.